Hi everyone, this is Suresh from N-Guide. In the last class we discussed about the concepts of sets. Today we discuss about some problems regarding the concepts. Sets is the easiest concept in the mathematics. And mains point of view also we will expect one question from sets. If you look at the problems, so the first one is write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 up to 8 by 9 in the set builder form. How to write the set builder form? What is the set builder form? The common property or characters possessed by all the elements in the set is called a set builder form. Here every term in the denominator is greater than 1 only from the numerator. Therefore, in the set builder form, we will write it x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x equals to n divided by n plus 1. Here, if you take 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If you take 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, like this, and 1 is less than or equal to, n is less than or equal to 8. This is the set builder form for this question. And the second question, write if A equal to set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on in set builder form. How to write in set builder form? Here, if you see, the squares of all natural numbers are 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equal to 16 and 5 square equals to 25. In set builder form, x is such that x belongs to natural numbers, all these are natural numbers, and x equal to n square, and this is called the set builder form for the terms. Next, and the third question is write the letters of the word trigonometry. So here in roster form we will write A equal to the letters of this word trigonometry is T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. This is. So what is roster form? All the elements are taken and being enveloped in closed and enclosed brackets. That is called roster form. And hope you can easily understand. Next one. And fourth question is write the set x such that x square plus 7x minus 8 equal to 0 in roster form. If you solve the equation x square plus 7x minus 8 equal to 0, doing the factorization, 1 into 8 equals to 8. We will write the factors x square plus 8x minus x minus 8 equal to 0. So here, if you take x as common, x of x plus 8 minus 1 of x plus 8 equal to 0. So x plus 8 of x minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 8, x equal to minus 8, comma 1. Therefore, the roster form is A equal to set of minus 8, comma 1. Write the set A equals to x such that x is an integer and minus 3 is less than or equal to x is less than 7. So, open interval of a comma b, how to define is, if x is less than, if a is less than, x is less than b, then that is called a open interval. The closed interval of a comma b is defined as, if a is less than or equal to, x is less than or equal to b, that is called closed interval. Left open, closed interval, closed, right closed equal to, a is less than, x is less than or equal to b. Left closed, right open is, a is less than or equal to, x is less than b. So here, what he asked, so what are the integers between minus 3 comma 7? So if you write the set, a equal to, including minus 3, here we are having closed interval, that means minus 3 comma, minus 2 comma, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should not include 7 because we don't have a closed bracket here. If you consider these numbers in the number line system, if it is 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the closed bracket and it is the open bracket. And the next one is, next problem, a equal to x such that x minus 5 equal to 0 and b equal to x such that x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So what is the relation between a and b is asking. So if you solve, if x minus 5 equal to 0, then x equals to 5. Here in set A, we are having one element 5. In the set B, if you solve the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0, the factors are x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. X of x minus 5 plus 3 of x minus 5 equal to 0. X plus 3 of x minus 5 equals to 0. Here x equals to minus 3 comma 5. Here he is asking the integral positive root. Therefore, we should not take x equal to minus 3. Therefore, take x equal to 5. In the set A, the only element is 5. In the set B also, the only element is 5. From these two equations, we will observe that and A comma B, the sets are having the same elements. Therefore, here A equals to B. Next question. Consider the sets pi comma capital A equal to set of 1 comma 3 and B equal to set of 1 comma 5 comma 9 and C equal to set of 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. What is the relation between pi set and B set and A set B set and A set C set and B set C set. How do you? So here the first is pi is subset B because null set is subset to each and every set. Therefore, null set is empty set is subset to each set. And second one, what is the relation between A set and B set? Here A is not subset to B because in the set A, yes, 3 belongs to capital A, but 3 does not belong to capital 5. Therefore, A is not subset to B. And third one is, so A is subset B as in the set A we are having the elements 1 comma 3. In the set B we are having, so third, A is subset to C as A is having 1 comma 3 and C is having 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. So every element of A is a member of C also. Therefore, as every member of A is a member of C. Therefore, A is subset C. And finally, the fourth one is B and C. Similarly, B is subset C because every element in B 1, 5, 9. The same numbers also you can see here 1, 5, 9. Therefore, every member of B is a member of C. Therefore, and eighth one, write the power set of capital A equal to set of A comma B comma C. The power set is denoted by P of A equals to set of empty set is a subset to every set. Pi comma set of A comma set of B comma set of C comma, next set of A comma B, set of B comma C, set of A comma C, and set of A comma B comma C. If a set has A has m elements, then the number of elements in set B is, so 2 to the power of m. Here we are having 3 elements, A, B, C, 3 elements. Therefore, the number of elements in the power set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, P of A equal to 2Q, that equal to 8. Next one is, if a set A is having the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is the set is having the elements 6, 8, 10, 12. Write A union B and A intersection B. What is A union B? A union B as defined as the set of elements which is having either A, B or both. Therefore, A union B can be written as set of, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Either A or B will take A union B. Next, what is A intersection B. A intersection B is the common elements in the two sets, that equal to here 6, 6 we are having common. Here also 8, 8 we are having common here. Therefore, the common elements in the both the sets is 6, 8. Did you understand? This is A union B and A intersection B. Next one is, if A equal to set of 1, 2, 6, B equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, then A minus B equals to, right? A minus B equal to the set of elements which is having A but not B, that is called A minus B. That is A minus B equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus set of 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 2, 4, 6. Then the remaining elements are A minus B equals to 1, 3, 5. And B minus A equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8 minus set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next 2, 4, 6 and the remaining element in the set B minus A is only 8. And what do we learn about from this concept? After finding A minus B, B minus A, we understood that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Next, and 11th problem. If U equals to the universal set is U equal to set of 1 to 10 and A is the set having 1 to 9. Find A complement or A dash equals to we'll write it U minus A. The complement is the set is having, which is having in the universal set and but not in the set A. A is called A complement, that is U minus A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the remaining elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is A complement. Next one. 12th one is, if U equal to set of 1 to 10, A equal to set of 2, 3, B equal to set of 3, 4, 5. Find A dash, B dash, A dash intersection B dash, and we have to show that A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. First, A union B find A dash equal to U minus A, that is U minus A. We should eliminate 2, 3. The numbers are 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And B dash equal to set of 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And A dash intersection B dash equal to, what are the common elements here? That equal to 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, A union B equal to set of A union B equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and A union B whole dash equal to U minus of A union B, that equal to set of U minus of A union B, that is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this equation, we'll observe that A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A comma B are defined as A equal to set of x comma y such that y equal to e to the power of x and x belongs to R. B equal to x comma y such that y equal to x and x belongs to R. Find A intersection B. You can solve this type of problems using graphical way. What is graph? Here, this is the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. How can you draw the graph y equal to e to the power of x? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. And y equal to e to the power of x. This is the graph. And second one, y equal to x graph. Y equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin, making an angle of 45 degrees with x-axis. This is y equal to x. This is y equal to x and y equal to e power x. As the two curves don't have any common endpoints, therefore we'll write it A intersection B equal to pi. So this is the graphical way. You can solve any problems using graphical way also. And the next one is S equal to set of x such that x is a positive multiple of 3 which is less than 100, and P is a set of with x such that x is a prime number less than 20. He is asking number of S plus number of P equal to. How to find? So between 3 to 100, so we have 33 multiples. 3 into 33 equal to 99. Therefore, number of S equal to 33. 3 comma, 6 comma, 9 comma, 12 comma, in this way. And what are the prime numbers between less than 20 and number of P equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and the number of P equal to 8. Then number of S plus number of P equal to 33 plus 8, that equal to 41. Next one. In the using Venn diagrams, how to solve this type of problems? The number of A minus B equal to 25 plus x, number of B minus A equal to 2x, and number of A intersection B equal to 2x, and given number of A equal to 2 times of number of B. Then what is the value of x? You see, using Venn diagrams, here it is A, B. A minus B equal to, this is the set, 25 plus x, B minus A equal to 2x, and number of A intersection B equal to 2x. Here, number of A equal to 2 times of number of B. So number of A intersection, number of A equal to, what is the value? And given number of A equal to 2 times of number of B. In the set A we are having 25 plus x plus 2x equal to 2 times of, in number of B we are having 2x plus 2x 4x, that equal to 25 plus 3x equal to 8x. That means 5x equal to 25 and x equals to 5. Therefore, the value of x equals to 5. Next one is number of A equal to 50, number of B equal to 20, number of A intersection B equal to 10. Then number of A delta B equal to, how to solve this type of problems? Number of A delta B equal to number of A minus B union number of B minus A, that equal to number of A union B minus number of A intersection B. Already you know the formula for number of A union B, that equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B minus number of A intersection B, that equals to number of A plus number of B minus 2 into number of A intersection B. So number of A equal to 50 here plus 20 minus 2 into number of A intersection B equal to 10, that equal to 50 plus 20 minus 20. Therefore, number of A delta B equals to 50. In a school of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each student likes to play at least one game. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Let C denotes the students who likes cricket, comma, F denotes the students who likes football. Then number of C equal to 24 given and number of F equal to 16 and number of F union C equal to 35, and we want to find number of F intersection C. As you know that number of F union C equal to number of F plus number of C minus number of F intersection C. Number of F union C is given that 35 equals to number of C equal to 24 plus 16 minus number of F intersection C. 35 equals to 40 minus number of F intersection C. Number of F intersection C equal to 40 minus 35, that equals to 5. And next one, this is a very important and interesting question which is given in mains examination. See, in a class of 140 students, numbered 1 to 140, all the even number students opted mathematics course. Those whose number is divisible by 3 opted physics course. and those whose number is divisible by 5 opted chemistry course. The number of students who didn't opt for any course he is asking. Next, let M denotes the mathematics, P denotes the physics, and C denotes the chemistry. M equal to set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, up to 140. Therefore, number of M equal to 70 and P equal to set of 3, which is divisible by 3, 6, 9, 12, up to 138, and number of P equal to 3, that equals to number of P equal to 38. Sorry, 46, and C equal to set of which is divisible by 5, 10, 15, up to 140. Therefore, number of C equal to 28. So those students who is joining maths and physics is maths and physics equal to. So the LCM of 2, 3 is 6. Therefore, 6, 12, 18, up to the number is 138. Therefore, number of M intersection P equal to 23. So P and C equal to, here P is 3 and C is 5. The LCM of 3, 5 is 15. That equal to 15, 30, 45, up to 135. Number of P intersection C equal to, that is 9. And next one is maths and chemistry. Maths and chemistry equal to the number of students, the LCM of 3, the LCM of 2, 5, that is 10. 10, 20, 40, up to 140, and number of P intersection C equal to, number of M intersection C equal to 14. So P, M and P and C equal to the LCM of 2, 3, 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. That equal to 30, 60, 90, 120. Therefore, number of M intersection P intersection C equal to 4. We know that number of M union P union C equal to number of M plus number of P plus number of C minus number of M intersection P minus number of P intersection C minus number of M intersection C plus number of M intersection P intersection C, that equal to number of, the total value is 70 plus 46 plus 28 minus 23 minus 9 minus 14 plus 4, that equals to, the answer is 112. So next, what he is asking is the number of students who did not opt for any course equal to. Any course is the students, the number of students who didn't opt for any course equal to, the total number of students are 140 minus any student which has joined in the course either physics, maths, physics, chemistry is 112. Therefore, that equal to 28. Hope you can easily understand this concept. With this question, the sets topic is completed.